My Electrolux 6 kg sensor dryer says lock when I try and start it and I don't know how to fix it.
Are you getting any error codes or messages from your Electrolux dryer? How old is it?
Brand new and says lock.
How long has this been going on with your Electrolux dryer? What have you tried so far?
Just today.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, I don't know how to fix it.
Hello, and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be the one to assist you. Sorry to hear that you are having this trouble. The site is going to send an automatic phone call offer. It is not for me, please disregard the offer. I am not available via the phone. This typically means child lock or control lock has been activated and just needs turned off. Typically there is a button that says child lock or control lock, hold for 3 to 5 seconds. Do you see a button like that on your model?
Yes there is. I will do that now.
Standing by. Any change?
All good, it has worked, thank you.
My goal is to give you the best experience possible. If you need more assistance, please use the reply box and let me know. It has been a pleasure assisting you today.
Thank you very much.
No problem at all. Enjoy the rest of your evening.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.